Hello YouTube. Are you aware that you can be spending somewhere around 5 to 7,000 rupees extra every month if you choose to own a car and pay EMI? Versus if you choose to roam around in taxi, you can play around without getting into hustle and bustle of traffic and many other things. In this video, I'll be breaking down all those pros and cons with you. Should you buy a car or should you roam around in taxi? Watch this one till the end.
Hi, this is Niket Nayak and you are watching Left Lane Driver. I'm gonna share my thoughts in this video based on my 12 plus years of automotive industry experience in India and my automotive engineering educational background. Stick till the end of the video. I'm sure you will have some value. Is waiting for Ola, Uber, Rapido right? Rather than spending 15, 18, 20,000 rupees a month for an EMI of a brand new car. We have to break it down the costs first. Of course, we'll talk about convenience, okay? But convenience coming at a cost is not convenience at all. So first things first, when you own a car, how many parameters are there that makes you shell out good amount of your hard-earned money? The car, of course, will come at a fixed price, a full price, okay? The fluctuation will not be there because let's understand, if you buy that car on finance, you have got fixed amount for an EMI for the tenure, 3 years, maybe 5 years. And you know that much of amount of money you have to spend every month for next 3 years and 5 years, and you're sorted. That's for EMI, that's for owning the car. Then comes the maintenance of it. So if it's a petrol vehicle, you're looking at easy 10,000 rupees a year. If it's a diesel vehicle, nowadays diesel vehicles are not that much costly to maintain, good brands. So we are looking at 12 to 13,000 rupees a year of maintenance, okay? Then comes insurance cost. I remember my diesel vehicle, the Ford EcoSport that I had previously. I miss that vehicle, yeah. What a car. That's one reason I can't buy another cars nowadays, but that's a separate topic for another video some other day. I remember spending 7 to 8,000 rupees on insurance every year, okay? If you break it down to monthly costs, you will have an amount. So grab a piece of paper, grab a pen, or simply Excel sheet if you're that corporate employee who likes to make sheets, Excel sheets I'm talking about, that's your call. My point is, if that extra amount of money in your pocket, you're ready to spend it and call a vehicle yours, call a Hyundai yours or a Kia your car, then go ahead. But think about this. With this, you're driving yourself. After a long day at work, you still have to unlock your car, you have to drive it. If it's a manual, good luck. If it's an automatic, still you have got steering to take care. Still you have got those Papaki Paris and KTM guys roaming around near your vehicle, right? You have to be vigilant after a long day of work, after that handling office for a day. Call is yours. Second, yeah, the convenience. Your own vehicle. Your own vehicle will give you convenience. I can stitch my example with you. I wanted to take my furry friend to a vet, or just simply I want to take my furry friend on a tour. By the way, you should look at Raya's channel, okay? That's my 1.5-year-old golden retriever. She has her own channel. So if I have to take Raya and my second child Eva, that's a German Shepherd, out on a trip, or simply we four want to go on a weekend drive, we can't. Because then I have to think about, will a taxi be suitable? Will I get a taxi at all? Will we be able to take taxis every time wherever we go? So that convenience part is always not there in terms of taxi. When we have own cars, yes, it's a breeze. So one would think that it's okay to shell out those 15,000, 18,000, 20,000 rupees a month minimum and have that peace of mind that whenever we want to go out, we can go out. Okay, emergency situations added extra. That's peace of mind. But then, see, look about the convenience part when you roam around in taxi also. You don't have to drive. The first thing, the peace of mind that I get nowadays, I'm not having a car at the moment. I roam around in taxis. So whenever I'm done with my office, I have to book a car. Yes, I have to wait for 5 minutes, sometimes 15 minutes also. But then when I sit inside, I can relax a bit. That is 10 minutes of drive or 15 minutes of drive from office to my home. I can sense that peace of mind as of now. I don't have to worry about the traffic, the metro city traffic. I don't have to worry about potholes. I don't have to worry about waterlogged in monsoon, right? I don't have to then worry about the policeman trying to stop a vehicle which is registered in outside state. My car was not from the current city where I am from. So they used to keep an eye on those outside state registration vehicles, and then we live in an amazing place where this Grab norms apply without even thinking. One fine morning you wake up and you get to know that there is a Grab in place. Grab 2, Grab 3, Grab 4, Grab 5 sometimes. You can't drive BS3 vehicle, you can't drive BS4 petrol, BS4 diesel, and that nonsense. You know what I mean. So I was constantly in fear that today will I be able to reach office without seeing a policeman or having a challan. Honestly, I have paid 20,000 rupees of challan just because I was owning a diesel vehicle in a certain city. That doesn't make sense for me. That doesn't make sense for anyone. I should be allowed to drive that vehicle. That's what I think. But then when we talk about owning a car or versus buying a taxi. Now, taxi, yes, you pay money and you're sorted. Convenience is there. You don't have to worry about traffic. You don't have to worry about weather. You don't have to worry about potholes or road conditions. You're sorted. But then comes convenience of owning a vehicle. Like I said, I can go anytime, anywhere. We can go anytime, anywhere. I can take care of emergency situations. That is convenience. Big time convenience. But I'm spending more money. If I say today I'm spending on an average 300 to 400 rupees a day for a cab, that totals down to, if I'm using it for 25 days or 30 odd days, I'm looking at 9,000-ish amount of money I'm spending every month for a cab. But that's only to going from home to office and here and there a couple of times. Not as many trips that I was making in my car when I had a car. So I used to spend 16,000 rupees of EMI, 4 to 5,000 rupees of fuel. Like I said, 7 to 8,000 rupees of insurance per year. That's per year. And then apart from that, I had this challenges. Now, what is there for you? Let me then break it down for you. What should you do? Should you buy a car? Should you go ahead with using taxi? Then here is your answer. The answer is, if you are in a metro city, tier 1, tier 2, and having a taxi service like Ola, Uber, Rapido is easy, and you do not have a family, you're a single person, or just you're a couple who are there in that city to make a career for quite some time, then use taxi. Trust me, it's breeze. It's peace of mind. Anyways, we do not roam around much on Saturday, Sundays. Unlike some influencers, Instagram life, we do not have that. Let's face it, let's accept it, okay? I like to spend time inside a house, inside my house with my family. On weekend, for sure. I don't want to go to malls on weekend. I absolutely hate the traffic because I'm not spending time with my family. I'm just spending time with my family in traffic, right? So my family time is not there. There is a time with my family in traffic, right? So I'm that guy. My point is, if you want to, save that mental peace, if you want to have that mental peace and save a little bit amount of money for now, go for taxi if you have access. But if you're somebody who goes on a road trip every now and then, you want to take your furry friend out, then yes, go for a small car, mid-size car, spend some money, it's okay. Trust me, it's an asset which is depreciating. It will not give you high value towards the end of its life. If you buy a 10 lakh rupees, 12 lakh rupees, 15 lakh rupees of a car now, 3 years down the line, you're looking at depreciated value of 10 lakh rupees or 15 lakhs. So you have lost 5 lakhs there. If it's a 10 lakh vehicle, it will depreciate to 7 lakhs or 8 lakh rupees in general, right? So at cost, you are owning that luxury. Is it a need? Answer is yes, it's a need. The need is to have a car. The need is not to have your own car if the certain situation is not there. Let me know, what do you think in the comment section below? Would you be going after this discussion to buy a car, or you will keep on using the taxi? So thank you for watching this video till the end. This was just my thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one. Let me know what you want me to talk about in the next one. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Till then, happy motoring. Take 2. On that note, here are some more videos for you to watch. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, happy motoring.